I'm going to show the complete preparation from the scratch, right from the base of the trifle, that is the sponge cake. So right now you'll be able to see only the ingredients that we require to prepare the sponge cake. So this is a cup of all-purpose flour, this is a cup of sugar, this is fine sugar, and if you have granulated one, then you have to grind it to fine powder. And then these are 3 eggs. This is vanilla essence, and this is baking powder. So I'm now going to prepare sponge cake, which is going to be the base of the trifle. So I got these 3 eggs in the mixing bowl, and we have to beat it with a whisk this way until you get this kind of consistency. You have to beat it for a while, long, around 30 minutes or so, or you can use electric hand mixer so that this gets very quick. Now I'm going to add my sugar to this and again beat it for some time. Again mix it thoroughly. Now I'm going to add the all-purpose flour, that is maida, and after adding this, let me see the consistency and then add it later. I'm going to add the vanilla essence as well and the baking powder. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that we also need to add some milk to adjust the consistency of the batter. And now I'm going to mix it and add the rest amount of the all-purpose flour and then mix the batter thoroughly. So I am ready with this cake mix. So I'm now going to pour this cake mix to a baking tray. So I've greased the baking tray with some butter and coated it with all-purpose flour. This is to make sure that the cake comes out easily after baking and the shape of the cake remains the same. So I'm now going to pour this cake mix to the baking tray. I forgot to mention that I added little butter to the cake mix. It just went out of my mind. So I'm here with the cake mix in the baking tray. So I am having my oven preheated to 350 degrees. I'm now going to bake this cake for around 30 to 35 minutes at the same temperature. And then I hope this turns out to be great. So I'm back with all the ingredients which are required for making the trifle. So my sponge cake is ready. I've cut them into small cubes, and here are all the fruits which we require to make the trifle. So this is a cup of strawberry, this is a cup of muskmelon cut into cubes, and this is blueberries, and I have a cup of kiwi, and I have sliced banana, and this is jam, the strawberry jam. I have melted in microwave for around 30 seconds to give a jelly kind of thickness. This is going to substitute jelly in my trifle, and this is whipping cream, and this is vanilla custard. I am going to use vanilla custard, whipping cream and jelly, which is going to give the complete filling to my trifle. So here are all the ingredients. So let's start making the trifle. You can use any kind of glass transparent bowl to give good look to the trifle, because we are going to pile up all the layers one above the other, so they are going to look good only in the transparent bowls. So let's start with our first layer. I am spreading across all these cake cubes on the base to make one layer. So just randomly put all the cubes, and on top of it I'm going to pour my jelly. Just spread at the edges because this looks good from sides, so just pour into the sides. And now on top of this layer I'm going to add my fruit custard, vanilla custard. So just pour it randomly. You can use any kind of filling. You can use lemon curd, you can use mango custard, or any kind of filling. Ensure that the red part of it, the strawberry jam part of it, is also visible. So pour it in that fashion, and if it's not visible, then just add little more strawberry jelly. Now I'm going to add my fruits, one layer of fruits. Just randomly select whichever fruits you like from the ones which I've cut. So I have bananas now, and then strawberries. All the colorful fruits go at the edges because they look good. Few blueberries. And randomly put some kiwi. Muskmelon, and then a layer of whipping cream over the fruits. Like this. You don't have to add a whole lot of whipping cream just to give a coloring, contrast coloring. You just have to add at the edges to make it look, good from the sides. So this is how it is looking from the sides. Now I'm going to make the second layer. Again, I'm going to add sponge cakes on top of it. Making a layer, and then on top of this fruit custard. I'm just going to repeat everything. So the sponge cake, it is going to get more soft by tomorrow. I'm going to freeze this overnight. Now I'm going to pile up this layer with jam and little whipped cream, and again all the fruits on the top. So I'll be back after doing this decoration. So I'm done with decorating my trifle with all the fruits. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to refrigerate it overnight, and tomorrow this dessert is going to be very tasty. So hope you liked my recipe, and thanks for watching my video. For more recipes, please subscribe to my channel Art of Cooking on YouTube. Thank you.